Stop walking. I know that sounds crazy, but if you're over 65 and walking is your only form of exercise, you might be accidentally accelerating your own muscle loss, not preventing it. Hi everyone, I'm a surgeon and over the years I've worked with thousands of seniors. I've seen the same pattern repeat itself time and time again. Someone tells me they walk every single day. They feel active. They feel healthy. But then they mention they can't get up from a chair without pushing off with their hands, or they had a scary fall in the bathroom. Or maybe they've given up on traveling because they're afraid of losing their balance. So what's going on here? Why does this happen to people who are trying to stay active? The reason is that walking on its own is a low-resistance activity. It's great for your heart. It's great for your mind. But after the age of 65, your muscles have essentially gone deaf to it. They've adapted. They need a louder, clearer signal to get stronger. They need a smarter stimulus to rebuild what's being lost. The solution isn't to just walk more miles. It's to incorporate 3 specific targeted surgeon-approved movements that you can easily do at home in less than 10 minutes a day. And the best part, they work fast to rebuild that lost strength and stability. Let's dive into the first one. This is the sit to stand, or as some call it, the chair squat. And trust me, this isn't just an exercise. It's a lifeline to your independence. Find a sturdy chair, something that won't slide around. Stand in front of it with your feet about shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward. Now, push your hips back as if you're about to sit down. Lower yourself slowly and with control until you just barely touch the seat. Don't actually sit down, and relax. The moment you feel the chair, drive through your heels and squeeze your glutes to stand back up tall. Try starting with just 5 repetitions 3 times a week. It might feel challenging at first, but stick with it. Scientific research shows that this single movement is incredibly powerful. It builds crucial leg power. It's been proven to reduce the risk of falling by as much as 50%. And it even improves the communication pathway between your brain and your muscles. Okay, on to our second movement, the wall push-up. This is your key to upper body strength, which is just as important for daily life. Stand facing a clear wall about an arm's length away. Place your palms flat on the wall, right at shoulder height and slightly wider than your shoulders. Now bend your elbows and slowly bring your chest toward the wall. Aim for a count of 2 seconds on the way down. Keep your elbows tucked in at about a 45 degrees angle, not flared out to the sides. Once you're close to the wall, press firmly back to the starting position. Aim for about 8 to 10 repetitions. This simple move strengthens your chest, your shoulders, and the back of your arms. This is the strength you need to push yourself up from bed in the morning, to carry your groceries in from the car, or critically to catch yourself with your hands if you start to fall. Now for our third and final movement, which focuses on dynamic balance. This is the standing march with an arm swing. For this one, you can lightly hold the back of a sturdy chair for a bit of support. Stand tall as you lift your right knee up toward your hip. Simultaneously swing your left arm forward just like you're marching in place. The key here is to keep it slow and controlled. Don't ruse. Then lower your right foot and left arm and switch sides. Lift your left knee and swing your right arm. Try doing this for 30 seconds straight. Then take a short rest and repeat it twice more. This dynamic drill is fantastic because it trains your body for real-world balance challenges. It activates your core muscles, which are the foundation of your stability, and it sharpens the coordination between your brain and your legs of everything that helps prevent those unexpected stumbles. And that's it. 3 simple effective movements. You don't need any fancy gym equipment. You don't need to carve out hours from your day. All you need is consistency. Just 3 short sessions a week can start to reverse that feeling of weakness. Restore your confidence and keep you living life on your own terms. I want you to try something right now. Wherever you are, stand up and do one sit-to, just one. Feel your leg muscles engage. Feel your body respond that feeling. That's your first step back to real functional strength. If this video has been helpful for you, please do me a favor and comment below with, "I'm starting today." I genuinely read every single message and it inspires me to know I'm making a difference. And if you could like this video, it will help the YouTube algorithm show it to more people who need to hear this message. Please subscribe to the channel because next week I'm going to reveal the #1 protein mistake that is destroying muscle in people over 65. And you won't want to miss it. Finally, please share this video with a parent, a friend, or a neighbor you care about. They might think it's too late to get strong again, but you and we know, Beth, strength isn't about your age. It's about a choice. And you just made yours. Thanks for watching.